Good morning. It is Sunday, day 14 of our carnivore reset. It is the last day of our reset. So I am just checking in. I have a full day. I'm out of the house. I'm at church. It's 7 in the morning. We're getting ready to rehearse, and then we're going to do 3 services. So I always, of course, bring a piece of chicken, but it's a piece of chicken, like one piece of chicken for like many hours. And so I do my best to not give in to the really yummy pastries that they have inside and all the fruits and the bananas. But what really helps is planning ahead. And so having my one piece of chicken and my elements, all of that makes it a lot easier. Not super easy, but a little bit easier. So I want to know how you guys are doing today. It is the last day of our reset. And so tomorrow is weigh-in day. So I want to encourage everybody to stay on track. You only have one more day tomorrow. We all weigh in, and then we get to talk about what has changed. I've had something really interesting change on my end, and I will tell you all about it tomorrow because I'm really just testing it out. Is it in my head? Has this really gotten better? How has it gotten better in just 2 weeks? It's a super surprise to me. I was really just not expecting it. So I can't wait to tell you guys about it. All right, everyone, have a really beautiful Sunday, and I will see you guys on the inside.